EQ206 operation video. EQ206 is a wireless seismograph, open and close by magnetic switch. Each node has a cone to set into the ground. Before we start seismic survey, we need to set the parameters of nodes by charging box. Open the charging box and connect to PC by network cable. Put on the nodes. Align the 8-core contact. 2 lights will turn on after successfully connected. Left charging indicator will turn green after fully charged. Right data indicator. Green means data connection is normal. When first time use the charging box, we need set the IP address into 192.168.2.1. Open collector module. We can see 6 nodes online. Click Tools button. Choose Set Param and adjust as required. The parameters can be checked in the node table. Field Active Survey Demo. First step, open the nodes and recorder. Second step, set the nodes on the ground in a line. Green light shining means working. We can use EQ206 app to scan the code on the node to record the point position. Third step, connect the recorder with the hammer. Set the hotspot name as GN309L and password as 12345678. The recorder will connect to the hotspot automatically. When excite the seismic source, shot time will be recorded. Then, we can do the active seismic survey. Data process demo. 1. Upload file from EQ206. First, open EQ206. Click white paper button to create a project. Next, we click phone shape button to upload the node position file in EQ206. Please check the Wi-Fi name and IP address in advance. Now we open the EQ206 app. Click Export Deploy Result button. Check the Revise the host address. Make sure it's same as the PC IP address. Check the Wi-Fi name of the phone. Make sure it's same as the PC Wi-Fi connection. Then click Upload Deploy Result button. Select the file and upload. Same operation for recorder file upload. Two, download node data. Set the nodes on the charging box and connect the PC as before. Click first button on the left side to choose a storage path. Then choose Funnel button to select data time range. Click green Download button to download the data. If we haven't uploaded the recorder file using EQ206 app, we can connect recorder to PC to download the recorder file. Three, data extraction. First open the project file, set file location, and click Refresh button. Then click DP Record button to open the deployment file. Import time break list, add recorder file. Click TB record. Add shot record. Click plus button to create spread. Use real shot record as shot point. Import receiver point from DP record. Add the shot receiver relationship, and we can check the geometry. After that, we can extract single shot file and save as SegY, Seg2 or Seg-D format.